Welcome. I'm Kay.
I'm Anna.
And we're the facilitators for the Unplanned Counsellor. I've had about 30 years experience as a counsellor, support person and life coach. And I've seen through my life experience the amount of people that are affected, often traumatised by secondhand information, listening to what people are saying to them in their job. And Anna, can you share your experience?
Yeah, certainly. So I've been hairdressing for 28 years. In that time I have experienced quite a lot of personal offload, and some of the stories you hear can be quite disturbing emotionally. They can be quite disturbing as well. And it does have an effect on you over time. You know, some days at the end of it you're just completely drained from people's stories and
people's experiences.
Yeah.
And when you learnt to be a hairdresser, did they teach you how to deal with other people's problems or their awful stuff that they share?
No, definitely not.
So what we've done together is put a little course together, and in that course we'll teach you how to listen well, to look after yourself, and some tools that you can apply. Okay, so I hope you enjoy the course. Bye.
Thank you.